Hey, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. My name is Andalee, in case you haven't run across any of my videos before. And we're gonna just dive right into this topic because I am really excited about it. I got invited to Clubhouse yesterday and I'm on a mission to figure out which platforms are gonna work the best for my marketing strategy. If you happen to be like me and you've been looking for other platforms, or you're just looking to learn a new medium like watercolor painting, then please do like and subscribe because I will be offering more videos on a regular basis about marketing for artists, what's working, what isn't working, and also teaching the process of learning to become an artist or an illustrator on my channel. So let's dive into the Clubhouse topic. Maybe you have been considering other platforms, maybe you haven't. I personally have been. I've been running Facebook ads for the last year, trying to figure out where to advertise for my clients and for myself. I've also been trying to figure out if Google ads are more effective and considering YouTube ads. And the reason I'm mentioning ads is because this also led into a bigger topic of which platform to use to promote my work and my clients' work. And recently I have been exploring more than one option because of all of the controversy over Facebook and Instagram. Now, I'm not going to get into that on this video, but if you're interested in hearing about why I decided to switch platforms and explore other options, you can check that out in a video I've linked down below. There's actually a video chain talking about each of these topics and which platforms I tried out. Yesterday, I got invited to Clubhouse and I've been checking it out and it looks really fascinating and I'm excited about this new platform and I'll tell you why right now. It is a group-based platform. So the way that it works is you have to be invited by someone who's already on it. When you sign up, your phone can see who in your contact list is already on this platform. And there are groups. So based on, who you're connected with, who you follow, you are privy to certain conversations. So I ran across a YouTuber yesterday who has a lot of contacts within marketing and advertising. And so I went and followed that influencer, and that opened me up to some of the social channels that person is following. You can start a room, and it can be a discussion room where people can join. You can invite them. You can leave it open to anyone who wants to join. And I have actually experienced over the last 24 hours a lot of very, very insightful conversations about marketing and advertising. And what is effective organic marketing versus Facebook paid advertising. And I found it to be really, really informative. The thing that I do not like about Clubhouse, I do not like that you can't see people's faces. You can't really gauge the amount of value that you're giving to the other person by facial cues. So it is a little bit awkward, but you can't do that on like YouTube or Facebook or anywhere else either. So that's okay. I can get over that. You can't share your artwork. You have to link to it in your bio. So that is a downside. You don't have a gallery like you do with Instagram. You don't have a wall of posts like you do with Facebook. Really nowhere to house your content. But I think that the other ideas of how you could use this platform outweigh the disadvantages, and I think it can be used as a marketing tool for any visual artist. I think the way that Clubhouse could be used is and forgive me, I have some notes down here because I was brainstorming how I would use this in a marketing plan. And I think what I would do is for educators or people who are going into the education sphere, I would use this as a space for critiques, theory discussions, and industry topics. So just to boil this down, it's a very, very powerful networking tool that could be used for art professionals to discuss topics of theory, the way that our industry is going, also topics about skill set and professional spheres, what sorts of things that you need to know going into a profession, and it could also be used for masterminds in the art industry. I'm going to list these off down below because I did not explain them very well, but I think that any artist who gets invited to this platform could definitely use it to share the knowledge that they have about the industry, their skills, and then also offer their professional services or mentorship. And I think mentorship is something that not a lot of people are talking about right now. We see a lot of paid masterminds circulating for different industries and different niches, but I think that Clubhouse could be a powerful tool for masterminds to connect and for artists to get together and talk about relevant topics, even just artist mindset topics or mental health topics. And I think this is not something that anyone is really talking about right now. Subscribe to my newsletter because I am going to be writing about how Clubhouse, how this platform could be used going forward for artists to build a community of people that are real. And I say that very, very loosely because right now there is a feeling of disingenuous connection, I think, on Facebook and Instagram. I think Facebook less so as much as Instagram. Instagram, it seems like there's a lot of spammy stuff going on. Like people are connecting with you because they want to get boosted, they want you to share their stuff, they tag you or they message you saying, hey, let's join on like a follow train. And it just feels like there's a huge emphasis on followers rather than value of contacts. And Clubhouse seems to be more focused on taking your face and the visual element, the shallow part where you're judged for your appearance, away from the entire equation, to where the focus is more on the spoken word and the value that you're providing to your audience. And I really love that about this app. And in upcoming weeks, I'm going to be using this and implementing it into my marketing strategy and creating rooms based on topics within the art field, how social media is changing, things that we should be really mindful of when implementing them into our marketing strategy for our art business. And definitely connect with me. If you have the app, please comment below and give me your handle and I'll add you on Clubhouse because I would love to create a discussion group about this. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I apologize, the next video will be less disorganized, but this was just a very excited video. See you in the next one.